guys, welcome to my channel. Probably you wondered why it's Rachel, because I changed my name. It used to be My Mom is Mini Me, and now it's Rachel. So here I am. But anyways, that package from Amazon. So let's open it and check what's inside. Okay guys, let's see what's inside the box. I can't wait. I know you can't too. I know you can't either. So let's get started. Okay. So let's see what's in this big box. Yay! This is a sink. It's a toy sink. See guys? This is an electric fluent function. It's a good kitchen helper, and it's a kitchen sink. So this toys is ages 3 and above. So and let's check what inside. It's a nice kitchen sink. So let's see what's inside the box. I know you can already see the pictures. And it's a role-playing toys. It's a pretend kitchen sink. So let's dig in. Okay, so parents, if you wanna, get your little kids a toy, this is a perfect gift for them. See that one. And let's see what's in this bag. This one is a corn, okay, and the other one is a carrot, and this one is broccoli. I don't know if you can split it. I'm not really sure how it works, but it looks like there's 2 of them, but I'm not sure. And this one is great, and the last one is strawberry. So there's fruits and vegetables in this bag here, and it's a little basket where you can put your stuff. You wash your your fruits and vegetables, hopefully. No, that's not it. Okay. Where you put when you wash the dishes and stuff, it's a rack, like a dish rack or something like that, so you can just place all your plates and what else and whatnot in this little strainer here. And so let's see what's in this bag here. We have what you call a little bowl. We actually have 2 bowls, a pink and blue, and it's for boys and girls because it's pink and blue. So so there's 2 cups. It's pink and blue. And what else? And there's a little brush that you can just brush your plates and some other stuff, or your plates and your cups. There's a little brush. And what else over here? That one is the cover. I think, it's a cover for this brush. And it's kind of a little, like kids wants to wash the dishes and stuff like that. It's so cute. Okay, we have plates over here, forks, utensils too. There's plates. It's blue and pink plates. And there's spoon and fork and knives too. See? So that's it in this bag. And what else we got here? So you can just put this stuff in this basket after you wash your dishes, so it will drain, like a drainer or strainer you call it, I'm not sure, but yeah. And then the brush too. So what else? This little thing over here, that is a drain when you drain your, you know, water. And yeah, it's nice. And let's see what's inside. What else is inside? There might still be something inside. See, this is the sink, and there's still some stuff in here. See that? And so there's a little detergent soap. You can pump. It's not, you know, just plastic, of course. So it's not real. It's a detergent soap. This is just a pretend, you know, sink, whatever that is. And of course, this is a faucet where you can put it. Yeah. Okay, I'll show it to you guys afterwards. Okay. And this one is the washcloth, maybe. It's a washcloth. Yes. And what else over here? What's in this one? It's a little apron. It's an apron. Yeah. Look at that, guys. It's so cute. It's what do you call that one? Happy every day you smile, I smile. So okay, so that's that. And what else? Okay, so what I do is I have to put this faucet in this sink. That one, I have to put it here. There you go. And now it's a sink. See? It's a little sink. I think, yeah, you can turn this on this side, which side you like. Yeah, and this one is the, you know, turn it on or turn it off, the water, you know. So yeah, and then you can just put all your soap here on this side here. Yeah, like that. So okay, that's it for this video. And thank you guys for watching, and bye bye. Mwah.